Hola gang. Today is Friday and we are going to church. Yay.
I have a boot.
You don't want to wear it.
Yay.
Hey guys, it's Anton from Rise. That's my new hyperfixation, by the way.
Okay.
I'm the beetle.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah, it's fine. Woohoo! DuckTales. Woohoo! Hooray! Guys. Hi, Adelina. You see me?
Yeah, I'll come.
Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
So, we're at church for a gathering for like the moms and for the dads too, because they're doing a prayer fasting program called, well, for the moms it's Magnified 90 and the dads it's called Exodus 90. I'm just kind of hanging out with the kids because that's what I usually do. You know, have fun. Tell the vlog what you're making.
Today we're making a snowman out of butter clouds and butter slime.
That's really creative, actually. Oh, is that what it's actually for?
No. The butter slime is mine.
Oh.
The slime here is for it, so you can build a snowman.
That's cool. Is that what you're making,
it's like
Ben?
from Honor and Elsa. Do you want to build a snowman?
Wait, that's really good, though. I like it. What's inside of it?
Squares.
Squares? Oh, yeah? Oh, it's so slimy!
And there's a monster slimy guy.
Oh, my goodness, it's attacking me!
And now it died.
No! Slimy guy!
Slimy guy. Now he's still alive.
Okay, good. Back when you're done, okay? Okay.
My turn?
Green.
Green?
Yeah.
Your turn?
You have to get more.
Why
I don't know.
She has Uno. She doesn't call it out. You call it out. She gets one card.
I thought it was like you get, if you call out Uno, you get, you get 2 cards when somebody goes. Or 3. Is it 3?
It's one card.
Okay.
8 cards in my hand.
Oh. We've got to clean up.
Wait, get the trash before Uncle Hooray.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Nice flower. Nice flower.
This is really gross. Ugh. Wait, I'm gonna use this. It's really yucky.
What?
But you know, that's how kids are. I was really hoping to go to adoration today, but I don't think we made it. So I guess I'll have to see Jesus another time. But we gotta go.
Let's go.
Yeah, so that's like usually what we do for meetings and stuff. Thanks for watching.
Me too.
Say thanks for watching.
I'm Martin. Thanks for watching my video. I know, I'm so amazing.
Maybe I'll do more vlogs about like our church because it's pretty fun. It's actually pretty fun. So, bye guys. Woo! That's cool.